really busy day today, but as you can tell from the title, we've got a pretty exciting part of it to come as well. Wow, that's bright. There we go. So I've got a meeting in around about 35 minutes. I woke up really late today. I've got loads to do as well. So this meeting starts in 35 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna go and do something absolutely incredible. We are going to be going So we're heading to my favourite little coffee shop, which is called the Coffee Club, and it's like right on the border of Singapore. So right here is like the harbour sort of area. Right, so we've done our first meeting. And I might as well tell you, we're going Go Karting. So there's a brand new Go Karting place, which is literally like 3 kilometers from my house. We're gonna go there, we're gonna try out the Go Karting, we're gonna have some fun. And hopefully make a nice video. Guys, make sure you subscribe. I told you all in the last video that only like 21% of the people actually watching these videos subscribe. So guys, make sure you subscribe, do that right this second and then carry on the video. We're now just gonna go straight go karting and have some fun. So we've arrived at the go karting. Now the biggest pain in the bum is that I have lost my chest mount, so I'm hoping that they're going to let me stick my GoPro mount on the back, the top of one of these helmets. Otherwise, there's going to be 0 footage of me driving the car, which is annoying. But we're not here just to film, we're here to have some fun. So this place is right in the middle of Johor. It's in Iskandar Puteri. It's quite near the Legoland area. So guys, if you want to check this out, make sure you come and have a look around. I'll put the link in the description below of the place if you do live local. Hopefully it's going to be good fun. I'll probably win because I'm quite good at it. Fingers crossed for being able to stick my GoPro on the helmet. So not only have they got the go-kart in here, you can also come and get a drink. So it's kind of nice to sort of like go karting and then come have a couple of beers after, grab some food, do it if you want. Nice place to chill out. Got a little bar here. There's Ella. There's Josh. You ready for go karting, guys? She's not even looking. Let's go. Right, so we've just finished the go-karting. Josh won. I'll give it to him, he was faster than me. But really, really good guys, like 100%. The price is only 45 ringgit if you book a 3 set. It's 55 ringgit if you book just a 10-minute slot. 10 minutes is more than enough, like we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Now we're sitting down having a couple of beers. It's just a nice thing, it's a nice way to nice place to come and chill. Now I do believe they're also opening a cocktail bar and a swimming pool here as well, so I will definitely come back and do another video once they're open as well. I'm really excited about that because it's a nice spot and it's literally like 2 minutes away from where I live. So it's a perfect place to come and enjoy yourself, do some go-karting, have a drink, sit with your friends. Lockdown's nearly finished, but we are allowed to sit in restaurants and stuff like this with friends and have a drink, so it's definitely a nice place to come and enjoy the day or even just the afternoon. Hey guys, so we're back at the house now. That was a really enjoyable evening. Josh won the race. He was faster than me. I was a little bit nervous to start with because my GoPro's on the front and I didn't want it to fall off and break, although that would have been funny. So guys, basically I've said in the title that it gets better. When I say it gets better, what I actually mean is that they're planning on doing more with this facility. So this is an amazing facility and it's by far the best go-karting facility I've been to. Obviously they've got a really nice seating area, they've got bean bags you can chill out, they've got a food truck out the front where you can get some food. I think we ended up having like a Korean style chicken, which was really tasty. Had a few beers, chilled out in the bean bags, relaxed. Now the part where I said it gets better, they are building a swimming pool at the facility as well, along with a cocktail bar where you can chill out, sit in the pool, drink, watch the go-karting, and I believe they're building lots of other stuff on it as well. I also believe that they're opening more of these go-karting facilities within Johor, which is awesome. Obviously, we'll only be going to that one because it's the closest one. Oh, my cat's just jumped through the window. Do you want to say hi? This is Marmalade. So yeah, so guys, basically make sure you check that out if you do live in the local area. I will also be doing another video on it when the swimming pool's built up, and definitely be going to go down and checking out the go-karting some more as well. There's a few different options for the go-karts. You've got the faster cars, which are a little bit more expensive, but the one we did was 45 ringgit for 3 sessions. When I say 3 sessions, I mean 45 ringgit per session. So you can book 3 sessions and it'll work out 135 ringgit. If you just want to do a single session, it's 55 ringgit, which is cheaper than other places in Johor for go-karting, and it's definitely worth visiting. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the thumbs up. We've got an amazing video coming up very soon. It's literally taken like 2 weeks to put this thing together. Hopefully it'll only take another few more days to get it up and going, but it's definitely something you do not want to miss out on. It's very funny and it's going to be one of my favorite videos I've done so far. Guys, thank you very much and I'll see you next time.